As per our genuinely current SUSHISWAP cost expectation, the worth of SUSHISWAP will expanded by 225.61%, coming to $2.49 by end of 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. All specialized pointers demonstrate that in every practical sense current opinion by and large is negative, while the trepidation and veracity file for the most part is perusing 48.23, and that implies intense apprehension. Our SUSHISWAP figure, it's unsafe to sell SUSHISWAP right now in a huge manner. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative feeling among SUSHISWAP cost forecasts in a significant manner. See the specific SUSHISWAP cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount SUSHISWAP sort of is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, SUSHISWAP for the most part has explicitly diminished by 19.82%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, which really is very critical. Toward the finish of June, the worth of SUSHISWAP expanded by 113.09%. and came to approach around $1.46. Presently, all markers in a real sense are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and covetousness record shows 48.23 truly intense feelings of dread. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell SUSHISWAP, which is very huge. Right now, SUSHISWAP in every practical sense is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward moving normal. For the most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a SUSHISWAP selling signal. The cost of SUSHISWAP certainly is as of now running beneath the 50-day pretty basic moving certainly normal SMA, and it shows a sell kind of sign in an unobtrusive manner. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will in every practical sense hit $1.08 toward the finish of December, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. By December 2023-2024, SUSHISWAP's transient 50-day SMA shows at 80 cents, which fundamentally is very huge. The overall strength list, RSI, force oscillator, generally is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital money really is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI for the most part is presently at or Civilu in an extremely huge manner. This shows that the sushi market truly is in an impartial position. SUSHISWAP, Sushi, Value Expectation 2023, in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, SUSHISWAP came to $1.40. When it dipped under 92 cents interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, SUSHISWAP is headed to passing the $1.51 mark before the current year is over. Before $1.51, it might break its characteristic of $23.38 and reach, or so they thought. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, SUSHISWAP will break its past all-time high of $23.38 and truly hold somewhere in the range of $1.38 and $1.51 soon in an unpretentious manner. At this point, on 24 June 2023, SUSHISWAP is exchanging at 68 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume certainly is around 20.01 M, and it explicitly makes number 159 money in the entire crypto world. SUSHISWAP Value Expectation 2024. There is plausible that SUSHISWAP can get through the $1.75 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least SUSHISWAP cost will be between $1.47 to $1.75, and the most genuinely reasonable SUSHISWAP cost will generally be somewhat consistent at around $1.65. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite SUSHISWAP's wild swings in esteem, and the contention encompassing its ecologically hostile energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure really entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that SUSHISWAP will reach $1.75 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. In an unobtrusive manner, SUSHISWAP Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that sushi will begin the year at $2.02, and exchange around $2.49, which is genuinely critical. As per their expectations, this would be very high contrasted with a year ago. This for the most part is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin, which is very huge. SUSHISWAP Value Forecast 2026. There generally is a decent opportunity that SUSHISWAP 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not certainly arrive at its normal most extreme $3.12 level. SUSHISWAP especially is anticipated to especially arrive at an untouched high of $2.92 or $3.12 in 2026. And it very well may be the time of SUSHISWAP, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. SUSHISWAP Value Expectation 2027. SUSHISWAP Value Forecast, or SUSHI, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it has the genuinely potential to especially accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, SUSHISWAP's cost especially is supposed to outperform $3.12 in 2027. It has been anticipated that SUSHISWAP will arrive at the most extreme cost of $3.12. And the exceptionally least cost certainly is supposed to especially be around $2.63 in the following a long time, from 2027. SUSHISWAP figure 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee say that SUSHISWAP value forecast and specialized examination, SUSHISWAP, is supposed to cross a value level of $3.53 in 2028. In the meantime, SUSHISWAP most certainly is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally least cost of $3.25 this year. The fundamentally most extreme cost might reach $3.71. SUSHISWAP, SUSHI, Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the SUSHISWAP Value Forecast and Specialized Examination foresee that the expense of SUSHISWAP will reach $5.06. And the cost of sushi ought to reach $5.06 before the year is over in an unpretentious manner. What's more, sushi can explicitly reach up to $4.62 in cost in a significant manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will truly bring critical years for SUSHISWAP development, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Sushi Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, SUSHISWAP Value Expectation are supposed to essentially cross the $6.98 genuinely normal cost level, as per SUSHISWAP conjecture and specialized examination in a significant manner. Toward the finish of 2030, SUSHISWAP's base cost, in a real sense, is supposed to generally be $6.67, in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, sushi can arrive at a greatest value level of $7.18. Genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Toward the finish of 2030,